Ladies and gentlemen, this video is for coaches and agencies who want to scale past their first 10K a month or who want to get past the 6 figures a month consistently. Who are we? I'm Leon and I run a company called Limitless Acquisition. In the past 18 months, we've generated over $3.5 million for our clients and we've done very well for ourselves as well. In the last year, I scaled my marketing agency from 0 to 6 figures in just 3 months. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how we help our clients profit over 100K a month consistently. Here are some client wins from us last week's 4K monthly returner for Teun and a free trip to Malta. Let's go. 4K contract signed, 5 calls, 278 spent, 2 closes, $5,200 cash for Timo, little 10K paid in full for Youssef. And here's some kind words from our students. 9 sales calls booked for Yoni, absolute beast. So what we do with our clients is we help them move from a glorified job to an actual business, because a glorified job is basically where you do the outreach, you take the calls, you deliver the service, which means if you stop, the money stops. That's not a business, that's self-employment. That means low value pricing as well as low value positioning. We get our clients away from that ASAP. We instantly need to move into high value pricing and high value positioning, because you will never scale beyond 100K a month if your positioning is low value. Low value positioning and pricing is dictated by the belief that hard work equals success. You know who also believe hard work equals success? Poor people. Wealthy people believe in leverage. That is the key belief shift that you need to make in order to understand how to high value position yourself and ultimately how to dictate high pricing where people pay you 5, 10, 15K upfront to implement your solution. How do we do that? We help our clients install 3 areas of leverage. First of all, it's an automated call funnel. This means booking calls while you sleep, while you shit, or while you eat. Everybody who's gonna scale to 6 figures a month will achieve consistent lead flow in 2025. There's simply no other way. If you do not have this, you will be forever stuck between 5, 10, 15K a month. The crazy thing is you'll make 10, 15K a month working 40, 50, 60 hours a week. Whereas when we install this, let's say you make 10, 15K a month, you're working 5 hours a week. The last area of leverage is moving from micro to macro managing. When I was still a dummy, I used to believe nobody in the market will do this thing better than I can, so I have to do it myself. That belief will literally be the death of your business. Macro managing is about understanding teams, acquisition systems, and automation, and creating the connections between those to work effortlessly. Average people are extremely hard workers. Remember, poor people still believe hard work equals success. Don't believe me? There's plenty of people working a 9 to 5 every day, right? Normal people are not lazy. What they lack is the right training, management, and system for them to optimally perform. And that's exactly what helped our business scale beyond 6 figures. Understanding I cannot just hire an appointment setter and be like, good luck. That doesn't work 99 out of 100 times. You need to implement the right system so that once you onboard a setter or a closer, they instantly know what they need to do and how to perform optimally, and that can keep them in line. So now you have automated client acquisition as well as a team that handles the booking, the closing, and possibly also the fulfillment. You're buying your time back, right? Now you're getting to be part of the wealthy. You're creating leverage. Now, another key factor of what keeps people stuck, they don't understand offers, right? People do not understand what an offer really means. They've read $100 million offers by Alex Hormozi and they think, if I just slap a cool tagline on this, I'll make money. And this cannot be farther from the truth. This key mindset shift changed everything for me. Your offer isn't just what you sell, it's how easily it sells. We want to leverage speed, ease, and optimization, right? There's 4 simple triggers that make people more attracted to your offer, which is new, easy, safe, and big. Your offer cannot feel like something that is just a commodity. I get you 30 calls in 30 days. That is not new. That is old. If your offer doesn't make your client's life easier, they will not buy. Fear makes people unable to buy. So your offer got to be safe. And then the last thing is that people are attracted to big opportunities. The prospect needs to feel that whatever they're getting from you is 10 times larger than the investment that it requires from them. We help our clients nail these 4 things, and it becomes extremely easy for them to book calls, close calls, and fulfill these people. Instead of becoming an option, our clients become the only option in their market. Because when you're regarded as an option, it's basically business suicide, right? You want to have your framing and positioning so strong that you're seen as the only logical choice, because the real sale happens before the call. If you had to spend $5,000 right now, but you couldn't have a sales call and you couldn't get more information than you know right now about your market, who would you spend it with inside the market that you operate? That is the person with the strongest positioning. Investigate and analyze what is so different about them than you. If you don't figure that out, 95% of the market share will go to their bank account and you'll be left fighting for the 5% scraps with the other competitors. Move from a glorified job to a business, right? Go from low value pricing and positioning to high value pricing and positioning, because without positioning, you'll be forever stuck grinding. Realizing that hard work does not create success, but leverage does. And then implementing an automated client acquisition system, making sure you have consistent lead flow and moving from micro to macro managing. If you find yourself over explaining on sales calls, it's an indication that you have a weak offer, in which case we need to optimize it with new, easy, safe, and big, and then moving from being an option in your market to being the only logical choice in your market. Now, as a bonus, I have something really cool. I spend a lot of time creating the ultimate custom GPT, and it literally outperforms 99% of therapists, coaches, and mentors. Now, to the ones inside our programs who prove themselves, we literally give this GPT for free. Now, what does it do? It kills overthinking, hesitation, and it makes your execution unfairly fast, right? I've not seen anything like this. I use it, my business partner uses it, and something I've discovered with this is that there's an actual limit to a ChatGPT conversation. And in the last 4 weeks, I think I've hit the conversational limit like 4 times, which means I had to create a new chat. So that just tells you how extremely potent this is, right? Just ask Coach Flows a question, answer was pretty insane. Lols, this GPT, love it. Well, it's my fucking therapist now. This shit is overpowered as fuck. I'm masterminding with this version. No chill, real SG. Did my rant on the way to work. It gave me a reality check. It was really good. Holy shit, this ChatGPT was crazy. Lol, this GPT bot is insane. That GPT alone will 20 million x your productivity. Like, I'm not kidding. You think I'm making like an exaggeration. I'm not. Over the course of a lifespan, using this versus not using this, it's just, I don't even have words for it. Like, I couldn't even put into words how extreme the difference would be between me not using it and me using it. Now, there's one more slot open in our program. So if you're serious about operating at a higher level, just DM me info, and we can talk. We help beginners get to their first 10K a month, and we help people already doing 5 figures get to 6 figures a month. I enjoy helping both. We've worked with some pretty notable people in the space. Teun Serban, who's worked with AutoDS, Iman, Jan Barzigel, Nick Setting, Rabin, the Producer Academy. Multiple of these doing 6 figures a month consistently. And like I said, we're not fighting for clients. I literally want to have people who want to become killers, elite level operators, help them scale their business and build a lifelong connection. This is not some get rich quick course or some program that you can just pay $9.95 and you're going to get in. No, the investment is quite heavy, but I ensure you will turn into a beast and you will not recognize yourself after working with us. So if you're ready for that, hit me up in the DM, and I look forward to meeting you.